HealthyLink helps link electronic health records and doctors' offices to each other. There's a common misconception that when your information is in an electronic health record, it's available to everyone everywhere. Right now, electronic health records are very fragmented. They don't talk to each other very well. So when you go to a doctor's office and you see your doctor and they put the information into the electronic health record, that information's there, but if you go to another doctor, that information is likely not to be there. They have their own electronic health record, and electronic health records don't talk well. So we have an important need to be able to move information between electronic health records so that when you go from one doctor to another doctor, they have the information about you as a patient. And HealthyLink is an important conduit for that. We have that information moving with you, the patient, as you move through our healthcare system. HealthyLink needs the patient's permission to pass that information along. Your consent as a patient is required, so every patient needs to say, yes, I would like that information to flow.